Hello again, persons, places, and things, and welcome back to Shop with a Sloth. Today we have a pair of pliers. We have, if I can get them out of the bag, they are a pair of jewelry pliers. So they are rounded so that you can wrap wire around and then close it off. They do meet very well. Inside of the bottom doesn't meet perfectly. And the handle feels really tacky. They were definitely freshly oiled. But yeah, not too bad. My only gripe is that this space down here, it meets perfectly all the way up here, but here to here is a very, very tiny little gap.